Hey y'all, what's up and good morning and welcome back to another vlog, y'all. Today is May the 6th and we are about to get into this vlog, y'all. What's up, y'all? I am on my way to my hair appointment. It is like 9:46. My hair appointment at 10 o'clock. So it says I will be getting there on time. So yeah, today is Friday fun day. It's raining out here, but I'm still cute. Can't wait to get my hair done to complete the look, y'all. I'm on some chill stuff today. I'll probably show y'all my outfit later, but if you follow me on TikTok, you'll see my outfit of the day. But y'all might have seen the top, both of these tops I wore to Vegas, but the bottoms are new. Like everything from bottom down is new. Shoes, socks, and leggings. I'm about to focus on driving and I will talk to y'all a little later. All the niggas round me, gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. So my hair is done, period. I just pulled up to the mall, got me a good little parking spot underneath the little garage just in case it rains. Oh my god, it's a little tight, but I'm in here. Let me straighten up some. But yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna record in there. I'm gonna try to get a little footage, but yeah, we're about to head in there. I'm gonna talk to y'all in 1 second. Alright y'all, so I just left Saks and the Louis Vuitton store. So my mom did get me a Mother's Day gift out of Saks, and I had to go to the Louis Vuitton store in Saks because the main one didn't have what I was looking for, which was a waste of my time. I should have went there first. Next time, go with your first thought, because I waited in line damn near like 30-40 minutes before I even got in the store just for them to tell me they didn't have it. What they need to start doing when they come check you in line, they need to start asking you. They do ask you what you're looking for, but they need to check inside the store first to make sure they have the items. I gotta drive over to the other part of the mall to go to Zara, because this one kind of like the bougie side where all the designer stores at, and then you have to drive across the street to the regular mall or whatever, I guess. So I'm about to do that. All right, so I'm eating Chick-fil-A. I got my iPad. You want to say hi? Do it again. $100,000 for the cheapest ring on the next ring, little bitch. All the flew out to Spain to be in my domain, all of my bitch. Dropped $3 on the ring, called it Detroit, little bitch. I was in the town serving cocaine, they ain't been the same since. Okay, this cute is giving like vacation, beach wear, see-through. Put a swimsuit under here. But that is correct. Alright y'all, so it's 5:57. I'm just not leaving the mall. I've been at the mall all goddamn day. So y'all, I got so many compliments on my shoes today. When I say everybody and their mama was stopping me, like, your shoes is so freaking cute. Oh my god, your shoes, your shoes. Hey y'all, so I'm back home. I made a big ass mess. Have y'all ever got home and your room was clean and then you just start fucking with shit and making a bigger mess? But yeah, I want to show y'all, I'm gonna do a little haul Is this a stain? No. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all what I got. So, well, as far as my luxury stuff, I'm gonna show y'all that Sunday. Or I might do a Mother's Day luxury unboxing. Or I don't know if I'm putting in the vlog or I'm gonna do like an unboxing. I don't know how I'm gonna do it yet. Anyway, Mother's Day, early Mother's Day gift to me. I bought this cute dress. Oh my god, the material is super soft. I love the design on here. I got this in a medium large, and this was on sale, y'all, for like $17, I think. It has a amazing stretch, y'all. All right, y'all, then I got these blockchain papers. So it looks like this, and this is really cute, small and compact to keep in your purse. So you know, when you get oily, especially in the summertime, I get oily, so you can just take these and, you know, get the oil off your face. So I got that. Yeah, I'm about to relax, y'all, and I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. All right, y'all, so I'm back and I'm dressed. I guess I'll show y'all my outfit of the day. I got this little two-piece cream jogger set on from Forever 21, my Louis Vuitton bag, my Vans, and my necklace is from Shein. I just put on one necklace. I'm not gonna put a whole bunch of accessories on right now until later tonight. And this is the outfit of the day, y'all. So I'm gonna see y'all soon. About to hit the road. All right, y'all, I forgot to show y'all my shades. Shein. Yeah, y'all, so I'm about to hit the road. I'm about to pour me some of this in my cup, some wine. I never taste this, but my stepdad got me this. My mom said it's good. I might have had this before. Oh, you know what? I think I have. My mom get this all the time. Ooh, I'm starting early. Damn, that's half of the bottle, but it's cool, y'all. It's Mother's Day weekend, so. Top. I'm gonna drink this when I get in the car with my mom. So, don't drink and drive. I'll see y'all. I need a one dance, got a Hennessy in my hand. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking hold. Y'all, my mama don't want to listen to no gang banging music. I told her she gotta be hip. What's up, y'all? Hey, dolls. So we are at Starbucks. My mama is a Starbucks fanatic now, y'all. She loves their refreshers, so that's what she about to get. What is it, the dragon fruit, Mom? Oh yeah, the dragon fruit. Y'all know I just finished my wine, so I'm about to get me something. Want to try something new, but oh, I know I'm gonna get a caramel ribbon crunch, y'all. I haven't had that in so long. Y'all know that's my drink. You ain't like it?
It's so sweet.
Oh yeah, see, I like it.
Sweet.
Yeah, it's been a minute since I had that. Oh, I think I'm buzzed. Oh, I'm buzzed. Yeah. I had like a whole, I only had, I poured most of the bottle. I had like this much left in the bottle. That's a lot. I know. Hey y'all, so we just made it to our room. Let me show y'all the balcony area. It's small. 2 chairs. I guess they about to have a little event tonight, so they decorating for that. But it's really nice back here. I ain't gonna give y'all no room tour because it's pretty much the same as last time, y'all. Alright, y'all, so we got drinks for the night. Period. Fruit bowl. Y'all, So I'm at where was I at? I'm at Starbucks, and this little old man kept looking at me. He like, damn, hope you have a good Mother's Day. He was like, where you going tonight? And I'm like, yeah, I'm going out to eat and stuff. He like, can I go with you? I'm like, yeah, come on, old man. God, these men ain't shit. Old, young. I was telling one of my girls earlier, like, she's like, girl, where you going? You got a hot day tonight? I said, no. I have low tolerance for niggas. Like, I don't have time for them. They play too many games. So I'm setting up this little makeup station. I'm doing my mom makeup tonight. Some tissue. So yeah, our reservations is at 6 o'clock. We about to eat a little appetizer. At the end, have us a little drink before we head downstairs. All right, y'all. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there, okay? Outfit checked. This is button up from Shein, leggings Shein, shoes Zara, bag is like a Bottega dupe from AliExpress. Accessories are probably Forever 21 and Shein. Oh man, I'm gonna have to call you over to do my makeup all the time. My mama like her makeup, y'all. I did her makeup. So yo, this is the fit, y'all. Dinner was good. Me and my mom in the lobby drinking. I had to go get my tripod for y'all. So I ain't shut the door all the way.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass it.
Wait a minute.
Just joshing. I'm spending this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song. Give me that tempo. So cool, he a fool with the shit.
Job. Like, bitch, what is wrong with you? Y'all, I just took that boob tape off of one of my breasts. Oh my God. It hurts so bad. Ah! Oh my God, this is so
I
weird.
like you. Won't give a fuck about your boyfriend. Come on, let's link. Can't do what I do. I can beat it up with no hands. Treat you like you monarchy. We can slide out, husband.
I'm gonna take my makeup off, y'all. I'm about to put me on a little face mask. And I got these from Target. It's the Power Glow Diamond Infused. And I got this from Target for like $3.99. What's that? Oh, I was telling them about the mask I got. And it is a metallic sheet mask. Alright, y'all. I got y'all sitting up a little janky, but this the mask. Super freaking cute. Ooh, it's so cold. Oh. But Mama, set your alarm for 20 minutes. Scary looking. Alright, y'all. So I'm about to keep this on for 20 minutes. And I'll be back.
The next day.
Come on, let's link. Can't do what I do. I can beat it up with no hands. Come on, we. Come on, we. Come on, let's link. Come on, let's link. Come on, we.
Hey, y'all. Happy Mother's Day. Hello, y'all. Good afternoon. Happy Mother's Day to all the mommies, grandmas, uncles. But no, I'm about to eat, y'all. My mama got us some Coney Island, so I got some wings. Whoop. And then I got me oh, this looks so good. Corned beef and French fries. Onion roll. Man, you got some, please kill me, got some salt. Oh my god. Let me show y'all what my baby gave me. How cute is this? Says, I love you, Mom. And then she made me this one. They're so pretty. I want to put them in a frame. This from my stepdad. I love you too, Boogie. That's from my dad. Oh, wait a minute. What is this? What is this? Thank you. Thank you, Daddy. Thank you. You're welcome. This one is from me, y'all. Hey, y'all, what's up? So, it's later in the day. It's 9:42, y'all. So, I'm about to close the vlog out. But before I do, I wanted to show y'all what my mom got me for Mother's Day. My daughter got me, it's one of these gifts. She got me something from Louis Vuitton for Mother's Day. Oh, she gave me money towards this item, so that was nice. It's a Mother's Day gift from her and myself because she helped me out on this one, and she purchased that one. This one in the middle, the Gucci, I purchased for myself, which is an unboxing on this one already, so go check that video out. And then my mom got me the Chanel gift. She gave me the money to go pick out my gift, so that's what I got at the mall the other day. Then the balloons is from my stepdad, and he got me some flowers and a card. The baby made me these pretty pictures. And this one says, I love you, Mom. And back to the Chanel. Oh, come on. She got me the Chanel Chance perfume, y'all. I've been wanting this perfume for a minute. We went to Nordstrom's when I went to get my Marc Jacob bag. I smelled this, and this smells amazing. So I ended up getting this. The lady was trying to talk me into getting a big bottle, but I wanted the small bottle because I have so many big bottles of perfume. I think from now on, I'm going to start buying the smaller bottles because I have a habit of letting all my perfumes sit around for years and years and years and don't use them. So I'm going to start buying smaller bottles. So yeah, that's what she got me. I'm gonna show y'all what my daughter got me in the unboxing because I have 2 items. So I think I'm gonna do like a double or triple unboxing video. I hope y'all heard me because my daughters are being very rude, especially the little one. So anyway, once again, happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next vlog. Bye, dolls.